Welcome back. I am back with another video. Today, my topic is to how you can test your DualSense wireless controller properly. This is a platform I found my GamePad tester. This is really interesting tool, and you can test your controller, DualSense wireless controller on the website. Okay, you can check the controller first of all. Okay, this is the website, the PlayStations, and this is the dual wireless controller for PS5. This today my topic is how you can how you can test your controller on this website. First of all, you should know that your controller support USB connections or wireless pairing, and I would recommend you USB connections. Plug your controller directly into a USB port on your PC or Mac. Most controller work instantly without driver. So you do not need to download any driver or understand the things that is a really in simple method. Okay, the alternative method is to wireless pairing. Put your controller in pairing mode and connect via on your OS Bluetooth setting. Bluetooth may have higher latency. Okay, final step, press any button on your controller to wake up the browser gamepad API. So the basic things you should know, and you can control up to more devices, more controller on this tool. This I got from my one of my friend who recommend me and asked me to make a tutorial for my audience to understand the things that's really simple nowadays. Okay, you can control more controller. You can test more controller like DualSense Xbox 360 controller, wireless controller standard gamepad, and DualSense wireless controller. You can search PS5 device in Hunt. Okay, and Joy-Con L plus R standard controller. Okay, you can see, and uh, there are very simple and controller total controller test already passed up to 3164. I track anonymous anonymous reliability data across thousands of controller diagnostic session to see which hardware actually lasts in real world use. Okay, so let's see currently hardware global hardware health dashboard. You can see on this dashboard and understand the things that's really simple and authentic. Okay, all time you can see last 30 days thousands, last 7 days 247, and last 24 hours 23 total sessions that has tested. Okay, mouse test, keyboard data, M sensitivity. Okay, you can see this. This is really simple tool I found, and I will make another video on wireless controller and DualSense wireless Joy-Con L plus R standard gamepad. Okay, now recommended repair partner. If you need professional hardware repair, I recommend that trusted shop for users in Europe. Okay, let's see. Let it open properly. Uh, Okay, and this platform. This supports in the Europe only. Anyway, table of the content, free gamepad tester, PS5, Xbox Switch, and PC Online. So if you have ever dealt with a controller that registered G-host input or a joystick that refuses to sit still, you already know how frustrating, it is troubleshoot blind. That's exactly why I built this tool, a full free online gamepad tester that run streamed in your browser with no download required. So you can see I will mention the tool link in my description, video descriptions, and you can use anyhow, anywhere, anytime without with it full free. Okay, you can contact us directly and you can mail us directly as well if you have any problems while checking or testing the controller. It support up to 4 gamepad control at a time. So this tester support PS5, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and all generative gamepad. So I hope you understand this tool and how it works. Very simple. So, you can try yourself as well as. Okay, we'll connect with another video. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you like this video. So I recommend you don't forget to subscribe if you want.